What's up, y'all? This is Johnny Sock, the foodie bro. Let's go and check out Dirt Dog here in Long Beach, California. What's up, guys? This is Johnny Sock, the foodie bro. I'm here at Dirt Dog in Long Beach, California. So what I have is basically the pastrami hot dog right here. So this one comes with jalapeno, you can say cheese, bacon, of course pastrami, and the hot dog itself. It comes with a lobster, you can say lobster bun right here. Also, I got the elotes, basically corn in Spanish. Comes with the cheese, lime, and bacon bites. It seems like it. Yeah, so basically I've been here before. This is my first time doing YouTube for it. So I'm gonna do a called the fast food edition. And of course, soda, a Coke. I always have to have my soda when I eat, especially Coke. Yeah, so I'm gonna try it for now to see how it goes. Here you go. Right away, I can taste the bacon bites and the mustard and the jalapeno. So this is really, you said it's basically like your typical hot dog, you know. The jalapeno is really, you can say a little sour. And the crunchy, you can feel from the bacon bites here. And also the bread, this lobster bread they call it. It's a little more, you not say fluffy, but a little bit more toasted. It also has a little cheese in here too. Yeah, that yellow pepper has a little kick to it. So far, it tastes good. I know some people don't want to spend more than like $10, or at least $10 for a hot dog. I know a lot of people like that. I think, man, more than $10 or more than $5 for a hot dog, that's too much money for them. But the way I look at it, some people spend money on other stuff. And this is not like you eat all the time, you eat once in a while. But you know, everyone have different priorities. I like it when I put the mustard in here. I love the pastrami myself. A lot of pickle. Pickle, yellow pepper, all the stuff in there. So it has balance from pickle to meat, like the hot dog and the bacon. That's also the bread. So it's well balanced for a hot dog. Now, let me try the elotes. they actually put two plastic in it. That's smart, so it won't fall. Yeah, so elotes, like I mentioned, is a corn in Spanish. So you basically put the lime in it, squeeze the lime. Uh, yeah, it has a lot of cheese on top. You look at it. It's basically, in English, in Spanish, they call it elote. In English, it's called corn. So basically, it has cheese, corn, of course. It has the lime you can put on. I think this is bacon bites. Yeah, I love this stuff. Yeah. So it's, it's really cheesy. This is like Spanish, Mexican cheese. But it's really cheesy. And the corn, corn is corn. Now I love this corn because it's sweet. You can take the sweetness of the corn and you put a little bit of cilantro. Yeah, I like it. Then put a little more lime, squeeze more lime. The lime help offset the cheesiness of the cheese on the corn. Of course, you can say yellow pepper. Really, really spicy yellow pepper. And we try the pastrami salad. It's not bad. So I'm eating during lunchtime right now. I don't want to eat anything, you can say too heavy, but this is heavy itself already. So I think this and this is pretty good enough for lunch. So okay guys, I'm gonna wrap this up. Don't forget to subscribe and like my channel for future content. Thank you. What's up y'all, this is Johnny Sock. I'm here at Krispy Kreme Donuts. So let's go and give it a try. What's up guys, this is Johnny Sock, the foodie bro. I'm here at Krispy Kreme Donuts in Long Beach, California. So what I order is like, they have a three-piece donut for like less than 10 bucks. So basically what I have is you can say the strawberry with powder right here, sugar powder. And this is the original glazed donuts. And this is basically Reese's Pieces chocolate on top of the glaze. Yeah, it's gonna be a really sweet, sugary. Yeah, I'm craving for sweet. I don't know why. Yeah, so I'm gonna try basically you can say, the powder strawberry right here. So basically they fill inside the donut with strawberry and they put sugar powder on top. Also the donut has sugar coating on it too. Well, it's like a triple whammy, you know? So the bun is very, very fluffy. And the raspberry is not, I meant to say the strawberry is not too sweet. Same goes with the powdered sugar. It's light, but you can still feel the sweetness. Yeah, so it's really, really good. So you can see the filling right here also. Strawberry filling. And barely like 3 bites, it's almost done already. It's sweet, but not too sweet, which I like. I don't like it too sweet or too light. As I know, it's like with Asian dessert also, they make their sweetness too light. I like American dessert better. It's more, I think it's perfect the way they incorporate the sweetness. Oh, this is basically the glazed donut. So this glazed donut, you can feel the sweetness. And the dough is really, really fluffy. And you can tell the freshness too, you know. Even though it's baked earlier in the morning, it's still fresh. It doesn't have that stale taste to it. So far, it's not bad. You taste the fluffiness. And the sugar, like a merchant, is sweet, but not too sweet. I like it, really. Now let me try let me try the Reese's Pieces. It looks like Reese's Pieces of chocolate on it. Wow, this one's too sweet. You can see the glaze in it, the chocolate, and the Reese's Pieces. So it's like a triple whammy. Too sweet. Yeah, more likely I'm gonna just finish the glaze and eat a little bit more of the chocolate. I don't want to eat too much because I don't want to have too much sugar in my system. I'm gonna get too hyper. Yeah, so okay guys, I'm gonna wrap this up. Basically almost done, you see. Don't forget to subscribe and like my channel for better future content. Thank you.